Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this fun floral frame photo backdrop for a baby shower. The mama-to-be requested a beautiful color palette, so I got the most amazing flowers to work with. Like always, I'm going to start with my greens, and today I'm using Silver Dollar Eucalyptus. Next is our filler flower, Baby's Breath. I spray painted my Baby's Breath 2 tones in order to add more dimension and color. Then I start laying my largest blooms first, like roses, large dried elements, and these stunning anthurium. Then I fill the empty spaces with palms and carnations to keep everything balanced. Lastly, I add dried touches and pieces of pampas grass as finishing touches. I absolutely love how the frame turned out and how well it paired with my centerpieces. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more floral videos, and check out my Instagram to see more of my work.